here's a quick gas tank update. So if you guys remember from the last time, this tank had a big, ginormous, 1.5 inch deep gash. Well, I got rid of the gash, but it now has a hole. Yeah, so I tried pulling this dent out with the stud welder. Tried soldering bolts onto there, and I just could not get this thing out. And then I ended up tearing a hole in it, and then that's when I decided I just have to cut it out. But it worked out all right because I spent a couple hours hammering this out because this whole entire area of the tank was just all mashed and deformed, and it really needed to be cut and new plate welded in. So in the next time, well, not next time, next time we're going to go over the spin-slosher, but I obviously need to fabricate a patch panel and get rid of this. And I have a solution for making the pickup tube, so I will go over that in the future, but looks like it will work. My next video will be on the spin-slosher. So basically the idea behind this contraption is the tank is still really nasty and messy, and it needs a lot of further cleaning, and it needs de-rusting with a Rust 911 in here, and it obviously needs to spin around and slosh for quite a while. And that's what this contraption is for. So obviously this used to be a bicycle and a windshield washer motor. Windshield wiper motor. So basically what I did is I took this apart, I figured out the wiring on this, how it goes, and then I took the bicycle hub and I machined a plug that I press fit in there, and then I machined that to the taper where it bolts onto here, so this spins around really super fantastic now. Let's fire this bad boy up. Hell yeah! Here's that plug that I machined in there. So it's a plug as a press fit into this hub, and I drilled that tapered hole to mount it on the wiper motor. And this is going to be a freaking cool gas tank spinny sloshy driver. This is going to bolt up to essentially that location there where it used to be. I'll need to make a bracket. And then we have the hub that I need to reassemble. And basically I'm going to bolt a couple beams or whatever to the bell crank here, where I will bolt the tank to, and then this whole contraption will end up fitting in the head of a engine stand, so I can clamp that down and drive the wiper motor, spin the tank around, and slosh all the cleaning agents in there, and then get a nice, super spiffy, clean tank. So, yeah, I'm just basically finishing this guy up. I want to have a video on this thing fully running this weekend, so stay tuned. Thanks, guys.